Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Here are tonight's top stories. In political news, the Aam Aadmi Party has challenged the BJP's claims that the Delhi Lieutenant Governor, V.K. Saxena, has granted permission for the Enforcement Directorate to prosecute AAP leader Arvind Kejriwal in the excise policy case. This legal battle has been ongoing for over a year, with Kejriwal arrested by the ED in March 2023 and by the CBI in June. The charges stem from allegations of irregularities in Delhi's excise policy for 2021 to 22. Kejriwal was granted interim bail by the Supreme Court in both cases, with courts noting his extended time in custody. Moving to Maharashtra, portfolio allocation in the BJP-led Mahayuti government is expected today. This development is seen as a crucial step in solidifying the governance structure of the coalition. Political observers are closely watching the situation as the political landscape in the state continues to evolve. In an alarming case of cyberbullying, 10-year-old spiritual influencer Abhinav Arora is seeking legal action against online trolls. His case highlights the urgent need for stricter regulations to combat harassment and bullying, particularly against minors in the digital space. In Chennai, a man tragically died by suicide after spending his mother's cancer treatment funds on online rummy. This tragic incident brings attention to the growing issue of online gaming addiction, which is being linked to financial distress and mental health struggles. Experts are calling for stronger regulations on online gambling platforms and better mental health support systems. Arvind Kejriwal has launched a Dr. Ambedkar Scholarship for Dalit students amid controversy surrounding remarks made by Union Home Minister Amit Shah about B.R. Ambedkar. The scholarship scheme aims to honor Ambedkar's legacy while also aligning with Kejriwal's political strategies ahead of upcoming elections. In Delhi, a man was stabbed to death over a loan dispute of Rs. 45,000. The incident has led to the arrest of 3 individuals. This adds to a rising trend of violent crimes in the capital, following another stabbing incident earlier this month involving an 18-year-old. In sports, cricketer Robin Uthappa is facing arrest over alleged Provident Fund fraud. Uthappa, known for his career in cricket, is also involved in several business ventures, including his lifestyle brand. Moving to Hollywood, Tom Holland has revealed very little about Christopher Nolan's upcoming film, saying, "I don't know anything about it." Fans are eagerly awaiting more details as filming is set to begin, though for now, the mystery around Nolan's next project continues. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to visit Kuwait to strengthen trade, security, and regional ties. The visit is expected to foster unity and economic growth within the Gulf Cooperation Council, chaired by Kuwait. Finally, in Maharashtra, the state government has initiated judicial inquiries into the recent murder of the beat Sarpanch and the unrest in Parbhani. These investigations come amid growing concerns about political violence and unrest in the state. That's all for today's top stories. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to bring you the latest developments. I'm Ankita Singh, and you've been watching Channel 6 Network. Good night.